Hello, fashionistas. This is Queen, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore the best lace bubugown styles so far, and some factors to consider in choosing the right lace bubugown styles that suits your figure. 1. Identify your body shape. Determine if you have an hourglass, pear, apple, rectangle, or inverted triangle body shape. This will help you understand which features to accentuate and which to downplay. 2. Consider proportions. Pay attention to the proportions of the gown in relation to your body. If you're petite, avoid overwhelming designs. These may drown your frame. Similarly, if you're tall, you can carry off voluminous or long styles more easily. 3. Experiment with sleeve styles. Now, depending on your preference and the occasion, you can choose from a variety of sleeve styles, such as the long sleeve, the 3/4 sleeves, and more. Also, the flowy bell sleeves or flutter sleeves can add a romantic touch to the gown. 4. Choose the right neckline. The neckline of the gown can greatly influence how it complements your figure. For instance, a V neckline can elongate the neck and torso, while a sweetheart neckline can enhance the bust. 5. Try different lengths. Lace bubu gowns come in various lengths, from the floor length to midi or mini. Choose a length that suits your height and the vibe you're going for. 6. Select appropriate fabric. Lace can be delicate and clingy, or structured and supportive. Choose a lace fabric that flatters your figure and provides the desired level of comfort and support. 7. Try different styles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lace bubugown styles to find out what works best for you. 8. Comfort is key. Choose one that makes you feel comfortable and confident. If you feel good in what you're wearing, it will show, definitely. And Remember, trust your instincts and select a bubu gown that reflects your personal style and makes you shine. Please like this video, appreciate this video with a like, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done that already. I would really love to see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Stay classy. Bye.